Hello everyone. So in the last class we are discussing about aromatic compounds and their common names. So and functional groups also we are seeing. So in functional groups we are taking today ethers. Okay, so ethers, what is the general formula of ethers, how you can write in different forms in 5 steps about ethers. So ether formulas, and next ethers nomenclature we are seeing today, and preparation and uses of ethers in functional group about aromatic compounds. Okay, so this is a very important, guys. So ethers, how you can write ether formula and nomenclature, how we can name it, and preparation methods about ethers and uses of ethers. Okay, so now today we are seeing just ethers general formula, so how we can write in different forms. So different form means the general formula of ethers is ROR. That means so ethers means ethers are the organic compounds. So it contains some two alkyl groups with oxygen, or the oxygen in between. So between two alkyl groups. Okay, here one, here two, or here one alkyl groups and oxygen is connected with the two alkyl groups. Okay, so this is the ether general formula of ethers. So now how we can write in different forms of means about ethers. So ethers are organic compounds. Okay, so here OR, so this is the general formula of ethers. Two alkyl groups are attached with the oxygen. So here alkyl means a CH3 group. Okay, so here oxygen, here oxygen. So this is a methoxy group. Okay, two methyl groups is attached to here. So this is a methoxy group. Okay, 2MEO in the shortcut form, 2MEO. Okay, and another form is in from ether. So here, so in CH3, here structural formula of this like this. So O and C here. So this is structural formula of ether here. Okay, so we can write in different forms about ethers. So next we see skeletal formula of ethers. Okay, so this is a skeletal formula of ethers. Here easy to draw on skeletal formula, structural formula, or condenser formula. Okay, we are seeing just today molecular formula and condenser formula. Molecular formula means CH3O, CH3 means C2H6O. Okay, this is a ether. So this is a molecular formula, this is a structural formula, here skeletal formula we are seeing about ethers. So about ethers we can write in different forms and different steps. So in organic chemistry, or so when we are in functional groups, when we talking about functional groups, it is easy to write in different forms any formula. Okay, so from the molecular formulas we can get so our creativity, our creativity. Okay, so by our creativity we can get different structures. So now next we see nomenclature of ethers. Okay, nomenclature. So let's see nomenclature, how we can name it in different forms. So for example, this is the alkyl group and name. So next alkoxy groups also their name also there, and next alkyl groups we are seeing so methyl and ethyl. Okay, so methyl means it's a methoxy oxy group. So these are alkoxy groups, methoxy, ethoxy. When we talk alkyl groups, so is a alkyl. Another name of ether is alkoxy alkane. Okay, alkoxy alkane, because alkyl groups attached to oxygen, that's why alkoxy. So this is about alkane group, so that's why you calling as alkoxy alkane. Okay, alkoxy alkane. Another name is alkoxy alkane in ethers. So this is about nomenclature of ethers. So nomenclature of ethers are methyl group, ethyl group, and isopropyl. Okay, this is isopropyl, and are isopropyl ethoxy or ethoxy isopropyl. Next this is tertiary or butyl ethoxy, so are butoxy group. So this is about nomenclature of ethers. So next we are seeing preparation methods. Okay, preparation methods is very easy to do to prepare ethers molecules. Okay, these are ethers are organic compounds. Okay, so now let me see the preparation method. Okay, so preparation means how to prepare, how to get our desired product from the alkyl halides. So first method is when we treated with alkyl halides with alcohols, okay, alcohols or heat, so we can get ethers, okay, RO double bond R. So these are general reactions when we for example here, so in the place of R we can put methyl groups, halide, chloride. So in the place of halides we can add chloride and chloride atoms. So next in the presence of alcohol, okay, so we can get methoxy, here another CH3, okay, another CH3 and plus HCl will become. So this is first preparation methods about ethers, okay, alcohol, when alkyl halide is treated with the alcohols to get ethers, okay. So ether is the first preparation method. Again we can treat it with alcohols. So again alcohols is treated with sodium or so in the reverse process. So again alcohol is treated with so this is alkene group, so it will be removed and add R group, okay, so we get ethers. So alcohol from alcohols in the presence of this, so RCH double bond CH2, we can get ethers, okay. So ethers, so this is another method to prepare ethers from the alcohols, okay. So next uses of ethers, okay, these are two preparation methods about ethers. So next we see uses of ethers. So already I told you guys, ethers are organic compounds because so two alkyl groups are placed in means in between oxygen group, okay. So two alkyl groups are donating groups and accepting groups is oxygen, so they are close to each other, two alkyl groups between oxygen. So this is next uses of ethers is, so ethers are used in oils, dyes, perfumes and many industrial uses, okay, many industrial uses. These are the things it is used in dyes and perfumes, oils. So ethers are mostly it is in scented plants. So scented plants, which are the plants gives volatile means smell, so that maybe contains ethers, okay. So this is today we are seeing ether preparation methods, nomenclature of ethers, okay. So here, so this is the parameters about ethers. So ether general formula of ROR means ethoxy CH3 OCH3 and we see skeletal formula, molecular formula, okay, and nomenclature in the place of alkyl group and alkoxy group what happen. So when we add methyl and ethyl and ethoxy and isopropyl, okay. So next this is nomenclature and the preparation methods is so from all alkyl halides treated with so alcohols to get ethers, from alcohols with RC means R alkoxy or alkene, so we can get ethers. So this is a preparation method to we are seeing, and uses of ethers is so we can use in oils and perfumes. So mostly it is lies in scented plants, right? So this is about ethers class today. So next we are daily we are going to discussing functional groups and how we can prepare that one. So this is the process in aromatic compounds and in organic chemistry mostly. So in organic chemistry we are discussing functional groups and aromatic compounds, okay, common names with. So next we are seeing today another functional groups, okay. Finally I hope all of you are understanding about this ethers preparation, nomenclature and what is the ethers general formula. So this is a very important thing. So thank you, and finally I hope do subscribe my channel guys. Thank you.